In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attendance in AppSheet. By the end, you'll have a working attendance app built from a proven template, easy, and so on, and you'll know exactly how to tailor it to your needs without starting from scratch. First, head to the AppSheet website and open the templates gallery. This is the fastest way to find ready-made apps you can adapt. Look for the Create button and click it, then choose App to start a new application. When you're offered different ways to begin, pick Start with Template. This option gives you a functional structure and sample data so you can focus on what matters: your people, your classes, and your attendance process. In the template gallery search bar, type Attendance. This filters the gallery to the most relevant options. Locate the template called Class Attendance and select Copy. If a preview is available, take a moment to skim it so you understand the layout. You'll usually see a list of sessions or dates, a way to mark each person as present or absent, and supporting tables for classes or students. Copying ensures you get your own independent version you can safely modify. Give your app a clear, descriptive name, something like Team Attendance or Class Role, and click Copy App. AppSheet will now build your copy, set up the underlying tables, and create views and forms. This may take a moment. When it opens, you'll be in the editor with a working app you can use immediately with the sample content. Now it's time to customize. Start by replacing any sample rows with your real data. Update the lists of people, groups, or classes so they reflect your organization. Check column types in the editor to make sure dates are set as date or datetime, names are text, and status fields use an enum with options like present and absent. For speed, set the attendance date to default to today so new entries pre-fill correctly. If you track notes, reasons, or late arrivals, keep those fields visible. If not, hide them to simplify the form. Adjust the views to match your workflow. Set the primary view to show sessions by date, then open a session to mark attendance quickly. You can group by class, sort by name, and choose a compact card or table view for faster scanning. In the branding or UX settings, rename the app, pick an icon, and choose colors that fit your style. Finally, do a quick test. Add a session, mark a few attendees, and confirm your data looks correct in the list. Your attendance app is now ready to use and refine as you go.